Happy birthday, pare. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Jimmy.
Happy birthday po, Tito Gino.
Happy birthday, Jimmy. Happy birthday, Tito Jimmy. Bayaw, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Tito Jimmy.
Happy 50th birthday, Jimmy. Nawa ay mahabang buhay ang iyong marating. Magandang kalusugan. Makauwi kayo dito.
Jimmy, happy 50th birthday. Pag-uwi mo sa Pilipinas, celebrate ulit tayo.
Happy birthday, Jenny! Happy birthday, Kuya Jenny! More birthdays to come ho. God bless.
Jenny, happy birthday! Pag umuwi ka na din, ba tayo magbanting-banting?
Happy 50th birthday po. Wish you a good health and more birthdays to come. God bless po. We love you from Taiwan. Ingat po kayo dyan. See you soon.
Hello, Tito Jeannie. Happy birthday. Stay strong and sana palagi kang healthy and malakas for your family. And ingat kayo palagi dyan. Enjoy your life and God bless you. Happy birthday ulit. And also, Tita Sel, happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday. Wala na, tumatanda na tayo. Kailan ko Saan?
Happy birthday sa pogi kong pinsan na taga Canada. Ingat ka paragi sa iyong health, insan, and may you have many birthday to come. Ingat parati, insan. I love you and I miss you.
Hi, Jenny. Greetings from Pura Tarlac, Philippines. Talagang time really flies, pati. Parang kailan lang nung nagpupunta kami sa Gimba, pasaway ka pa kay Uncle Boy at saka kay Auntie Opie. Sa bagay, hanggang ngayon yata pasaway ka pa Char. Ngayon, tignan mo, 50 ka na. So, ang bilis talaga ng panahon. Ngayon, kailangan talaga magpakabait ka na. Huwag ka nang magpasaway. Take care of yourself pati. Kasi hindi na natin may babalik yung mga araw na nagdaan. So, ingatan mo ang sarili mo. Kung dati, kinakanta mo lang yung paa, tuhod, balik at ulo, ngayon mararamdaman mo talaga, sumasakit na silang lahat. So, yung ibig ko lang sabihin, ingatan mo ang sarili mo, huwag kang magpapasaway na kay Maricel, at follow doctor's orders. Happy birthday, Golden Boy, and I wish you good health always, and happiness in life. So, I hope to see you soon. Enjoy your day. And regards to everybody out there.
Happy birthday, Jenny and Maricel!
Maricel, happy birthday. Jenny, belated happy birthday din. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Magbakasyon naman din kayo. Kamusta? Ingat.
Happy birthday po, Ninong Gine at Ninang Maricel.
Happy birthday po, Ninong Gine and Ninang Maricel.
Birthday! Ay, ina lang ha.
Happy birthday, Gine, Maricel! Umuwi na kayo!
Ikaw!
Happy birthday, paring Bilas!
Happy birthday, Jenny and Maricel!
Happy birthday, Jenny and Maricel. Ingat kayo palagi. Happy birthday, Jenny and Maricel. Sana ay kayo ay magmahalan. At happy birthday ulit and God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Sel at Tito Gine. Sana'y kayo laging maging malusog at maganda.
At makauwi ng Pilas!
At makauwi na ang Pilipinas! Jenny, happy birthday! Sa inyong dalawa ni Maricel, sana'y lagi kayong malakas ang katawan, walang problema, at tuloy-tuloy lang ang trabaho. At sana makauwi kayo, tayo part-time makapag-inom ulit. Wish ko lang talaga sa inyo, sa inyong kalusugan, at nang dire-diretso yung trabaho ninyo. At makabalik kayo dito ng sa lalong madaling panahon. Okay, thank you!
Hello, Jenny and Maricel. Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Naway kayo maging malusog lagi ang pangatawan. Alagaan yung mabuti si Sayon. At naway kayo makapagbakasyon sa susunod na taon. At tayo dini ka na mag-birthday sa susunod.
Hello, Jenny and Maricel. Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Sana kayo ay bigyan ng Panginoon ng mahabang buhay at lagi kayong mag-iingat. Sana makauwi agad din kayo para tayo ay makapag-jamming-jamming naman, makagala-gala. Yun na lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Bakit hindi ka sabihin mo happy birthday po, Lolo Ginny and Lola Sel? Happy birthday po! Hello, Kuya Sayon! Tito Sayon pala! Happy birthday po! Hindi?
Happy birthday po, Tito Ginny and Tita Sel! Sana po makauwi na po kayo ng Pilipinas! Hey! Hi, Zion!
Hello, Jenny. Greetings from Australia. This is Ate Long. Happy birthday, Insan. Sana lumigaya ka ngayong araw na ito. Bye!
Hello, happy birthday sa iyo, Gine. Coming from us here. Dito kami sa Richmond, British Columbia. May you have a long life and have a nice birthday. Okay, regards sa lahat. God bless you.
Greetings from Austria. Happiest birthday, Kuya. Supposedly it was a surprise for me to attend your birthday party last week. But since it was moved this week, I'm sorry I can't spend that long in there. Okay? I'm still blessed that I got to spend time with you and the whole family last week in your actual birthday. Wishing you more blessings, happiness, and good health always. Love you, Kuya. I'm so blessed that Mama and Papa gave a brother like you. Okay? Again, happy birthday. Can't wait to see you guys again next year in New York. Take care and love you.